Hi, this is Spencer Colgan. Welcome to my wallpaper and painting channel where we do wallpaper, painting, and woodwork as well. I want to show you how to first coat a wall. To do it quickly, first of all, you'll see that the top 3.5, 4 inches of the wall is painted already. And that's my man Jeff. He already took care of that, so he already cut that in twice. Now, I'm going to show you how to first coat the wall and what you don't have to do on the first coat that you have to do on the second coat. And as I do it, I'll talk to you about it. Okay. So right now I'm twisting the roller. Why is that? I'm twisting the roller so that it doesn't drip under me, okay? If you twist it, what you do is you prevent it from having enough time in one position to drip. So that's one thing you definitely want to do. So I'm not lifting the roller off of the wall. Why? Well, if I lift the roller off of the wall, it's going to take me more time to do that. But there's a benefit in lifting the roller off of the wall. And that is to get a fine finish. But I'm not looking for a fine finish necessarily on the first coat. I'm looking for speed. So there you have it. That's the first coat. But let me just show you the difference between the first coat and the second coat, okay? I'm going to start my roller here. I just let the bulk of the paint go over there. I'm going to dip into that later as I go along. Now watch this. I start in the middle, go all the way up, not too fast, straight down. I lift the roller off of the wall. I overlap it 50%. Go up, bring it right down to the fixture, continue right there, 50%. Do you see the difference? It takes more time. And you're looking for that fine finish, and this is the only way you're going to get it. Again, go up and down now. I put a lot of paint there. I'm just spreading it out. I come back. I start in the middle. I roll up, one direction down. I can start at the bottom. I roll up, but I got to come all the way down. I want to finish all my strokes in the same direction. Up, down, in the same column. I go straight up, straight down. Straight up, straight down. And I'm taking the roller off of the wall. As opposed to, in the first coat, we just went up and down quickly. Okay? This second coat ensures that you're not going to get any bleeding through of the first coat, or what's under the first coat, I mean. You know, the old paint. Believe it or not, you'll do your first or second coat sometimes, if you didn't put enough paint on there. After it dries, you'll see the undercoat, because the paint settles. And then you look at it and you say, how did that happen? Well, you didn't put enough paint on the roller. And there you have it. That's how you do your first and second coat. Now, I would wait till the first coat dried. You don't have to. But I would. I'm just showing you the different techniques in the first and second coat. Okay, so there you have your quick tip. Your quick tip. Second thing is I'm using a purdy 1/2 inch. If I can urge you to do anything, spend the money when you're painting. This is a fine finish roller. This is a purdy. You can roll the door with this, and it'll almost look like it was sprayed if you know how to use it. You don't have lap marks. This is a 1/2 inch nap. It's called a nap. This is the roller cage, the thing that the roller sits on.